networking is key to land a front-end job. I can't stress this enough for people who are trying to break in the industry or who have a job as a developer now. Like, your brand matters, and who you know can really better your chances. Also, networking can give you great referrals. I mentioned this before, but it really matters. Like, I've gotten plenty of referrals because of who I knew, and I would recommend that. It's not that you have to go real in detail, and I'm actually going to show you all right now like a simple email that you can send to somebody. But please, like, make this original. It's just an example. This is not something that you should just use as a blueprint, but it's something that can kind of point you in the right direction if you're trying to like reach out to somebody. And here it is. So yeah, use examples like these, like, that can really help you understand how to approach like recruiters, as well as like how to approach like other developers, like, because the more that you can reach out to people, the better your chances are to land a really good job. And I just want to put this out there, especially if you don't have all the skills obtained for a particular job, or if you don't have all the experience, if you need to just break in to have a better life, make more, networking will give you a boost. It will open more opportunities for you to land your first job, or just land a job if you really need to get out of the job that you're currently at. Like, networking can really do that. It really can change people's lives. So I would say definitely do that, because the more that you get more interviews, I always say this, the more interviews that you get, the more reps that you get. And the more reps that you get, the better you will start to see the patterns. And once you start seeing these patterns, you will start getting past certain rounds consistently. You will get past the behavior rounds consistently. You will get past the technical rounds consistently. If you just keep getting them, and you will figure out, and eventually you can get that one yes. Another thing that I did want to mention that I feel like is very important is when you are reaching out to people and sending messages, please make sure you have a profile picture. Especially if it's online, just make sure you have a clean profile picture. Make sure you get a headshot that shows people who you are, because that will help. Do not send somebody with a blank photo. That doesn't help. Like, please make sure that you just get your phone, stand behind a wall, take a nice photo, and make sure you have everything together, and then take a headshot, because that really helps like for people to actually like give you a chance. So make sure you do that. And if you can afford a photographer, then go ahead, by all means do it, but you really don't need it. You just need to get a good headshot to really show people that you actually exist, because of so many scams and so many other things that happen, people catfish and things like that. You just want to make sure that you have a clear photo of yourself, and that can definitely increases your chances of getting somebody to write you back. Like, also cleaning up your profile, whether it's on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, like wherever you're reaching out to people on, like, make sure that you have like everything kind of like put together. Make sure you have your bio, make sure you have like your credentials on there, make sure you just clean up everything you need to, so when you reach out to somebody, if they click on your profile, they want to see something on there to show that they're not just like cap, like they're not really legit. Like, you want to make sure you show them that you're legit, because your first impression matters. Just like if you meet somebody in person, your first impression matters. Well, it matters also online when you reach out to somebody. You need to make sure that you have all that together where it looks smooth, it looks clean, and that will give you a much better chance of somebody responding back than not if you have a blank profile picture. If you don't have any words or anything that you've done, nobody knows what you did, and it's just really blank, and it looks like it can be a bot, then more than likely somebody's not going to respond to that. But if you show more of who you are and your style, it can increase your chance to get a response back. A decent amount of time working on that as well, improving your skills, improving your brand, so that you can get responses back from people, and invest that time, because it will make your process a lot easier. Espero que tengas un buen día. Nos vemos.